not really a day. It's already midnight. I'm going to open this. How do I open this thing? Tape. Hold on a sec. Can you open it? Okay, I got it open. Wow. Take this off. Or tape. That tape. Is that glue? Oh. Wow. One, two. Uh-oh. That's tape. I'm going to get the wings out first. Come on, get out. The wings. Come on. Whatever, I'm going to do this one first. Get that off. I'm going to do the wheels later. Okay. It's in this wrapper. It's in this wrapper. I'm going to keep this wrapper. Whoops, I tear it apart. Never mind. I'm going to keep it over here. Okay. I'm going to unscrew this. Ah! Good thing. Good thing that didn't lost. I'll get the wheels. Whoops. And then this one goes there. Okay, there's something else. How do I do this? Wait, I need mine. I'm gonna do the wheels later. Just put it back in there. Whoops. Hold on a second. Turn off the camera. Okay, I got all the wind gears off. I just got to figure out how to connect it. Why isn't this connecting? Push. Okay, finally I got it. This wing, I'm gonna put it here first. Hey, stabilized. I gotta push it. The landing gear. I know how to do it now. I need to push it. Okay. In the middle. Come Okay, finally I got it. That took so long. Oh wait, I forgot the nose landing gear. That's kind of weird word, landing gear. I'm just gonna slide this in. Okay, I think that's it. I'm gonna get the stand. Hey, it's supposed to be on the bottom. I'm gonna. Wait a minute. Is this supposed to go here? Yep. Oh, there's a charger. This. This is gonna be interesting. I got it. I got the first ring. Okay, I got the first ring. What's wrong here? Come on. Whoops. I'm gonna do it on. Not sure. Come on. Hold on. Is that the right one? Okay. This. Finally, I got it. Turn off the camera. Turn off the camera.
อธิบายเลยนะ1 2 3 What is this guy?
Okay. I was about to put on the stand, but nah. In the back.
So
gonna
basically,
fall.
what kind of plane
It is not gonna fall. Okay. I'm gonna put it down. Oh, and also, I have an older one.
Can you compare what's the difference?
Okay. Hold on. Okay. Okay, you might notice there's glue because I dropped it. I dropped it from over there, but that's okay. Okay, the landing gear is good. Charger to the back. Okay, this one, but it is the same size. Yep, the wingspan is just a little more longer, and this one's a little more longer. This is gonna be hard. Let me check. Okay. Okay, basically, if you don't know what this is the Korean one. And this is Thai. You might know because there's Thai and the logo. And also that flag. Okay. Now, what's the difference? Let me see what's the difference. It is airbus. Let's see what kind of difference do they have. Same? It's a little more longer. Wingspan. This one's a little bit more longer. Okay. A ruler. Okay. This one, I can't take the landing gear off. I glued it on. And also the front. It kind of looks ugly. Who cares? And also, if you notice, the winglet is kind of broken. See? Okay, I got you. Okay. Wings. Is the wings different? Nope. Put on. I got. Okay. If you're wondering how much wheels does it have, it technically has the same number of wheels. So this one has 22. It's cut. You cut it? Good. Put it back. And roast Royd. I can't really know how to say that in English. I'm a Thai person. I just speak English. And that's all. Turn off the camera, that's all.
Stop. Be quiet.
Okay, I forgot.